Can I file an injury claim if a bus stop bench broke and threw me to the ground? Yes, you may be able to file a claim. These cases usually depend on who owned, installed, inspected, or maintained the bench, and whether that person, company, transit provider, property owner, or public agency knew or should have known the bench was unsafe. In North Carolina, you generally need evidence that the dangerous condition was created by the responsible party or that it existed long enough that reasonable inspection should have found it. Photos are very important. Preserve pictures and video of the bench, broken supports, rust, loose bolts, cracks, missing parts, the bus stop location, and any nearby signs or landmarks. Also keep medical records, emergency medical services records, witness names, damaged clothing, receipts, and any reports made to police, transit staff, or a city agency. Be careful with contributory negligence. The defense may argue you ignored an obvious defect or did not use the bench normally. Also, many injury claims have a 3-year lawsuit deadline, but public agency cases can involve extra issues. Do not wait for the bench to be repaired or removed before preserving evidence and getting legal guidance.